Let me sing for you.
Alright guys, it's your boy once again on this channel, Bad Boy Mfinho, and I'm here with my beautiful Mide. How are you, Mide?
I'm fine, good evening.
You look so beautiful, wow.
Yeah, thank you. It's a big Sunday.
Yeah, this Sunday, you come out everywhere.
I have to. Hello.
Something I'm here.
Malo.
Okay, Malo for the girls. Alright guys, this week.
This week was
End of house.
Yeah, so also won the HOH and picked Nengi for.
Actually, I feel that also guy is the I think he's the ideal person for that role.
Yes.
The leader, yeah.
Me too. I also think the same way because when Ozo is like the leader, things in the house are calm, no too fight, and then he has this way of coordinating well. Like he's a good leader, and they want their way down. Like even the last way that he was one that was HOH, like it was really cool. And I like the way they were like there are no like shike, no dwelling.
No, that she's over it now. Don't is over.
I like her maturity.
See your guys, guess what to right too.
Right now we're doing it. That's what I should just go from 0 to 100. They don't marry you. Let's say she don't come.
Married wife. This is a couple. They act normal, like normal couple, real life couple now.
But then after they have one to we don't say all of them.
Right to that guy.
That sharp guy. One of them.
Guys, I'm not happy. Honestly, I don't like this way. Today at the verse.
Why?
Kiddwaya America. How far now?
No, those people were especially Erica. No, I'm the Erica fan.
She's a rubbish person.
She's not a rubbish person. Excuse me, please correct yourself. She's not a rubbish person. She just needs to work on it.
Work on what?
Yes, she's an emotional person.
Erica, this night I break up. I'm done with you.
That's what emotional people do.
The next day,
break up. Yes, thank you. See, when you like someone and you don't want to lose them, of course, couples fight now.
Oh God.
Couple fight, and the best one is when you settle immediately, not the type that will keep malice for 2-3 weeks. Yes, that's right. Yes.
So every day, once you get out of fighting, every day you're breaking up and making up again, breaking up and making up again.
As long as they're making up, that's the good part. Yes.
And the next thing, the person that she says she does not want, she's over there again. Guys, guess what? You know, almost kiss Lekon. See, I said,
she did not kiss Lekon. She did not. She did not. For some reason, I don't know why some haters, they feel like she wants to kiss Lekon.
How do you hate her, please?
If she wants to kiss Lekon, she will kiss him because Auntie likes kissing. She's an actress. It's not today. Watch the video very well. Watch the video. I think you don't like her, but watch the video very well. Auntie extended hand for hug.
And she brought him down.
Is that hugging? Hug me. I'm making on my head, making on my chest. What's that?
Where did she kiss him?
She didn't kiss him. I don't know, for some reason people like you outside haters on IG and Twitter say she wants to kiss him. He wants in his mouth. That is blacklist. Hello, please.
But she wants to look happy for him. Blacklist.
No, she wants him. Erica is someone that when she's high, she pours out her mind. That's why I like her, because if she has somebody in mind, she'll meet you because she's a peaceful person. So she didn't want to talk to him. That was why the day she was high and being real. You cannot fake when you're high. The next that comes out when you're high.
The first time she was high, she went to kiss him. Now she's going to kiss him. Was she high when she went to kiss him? This one, was she high?
And that was the night for Truth or Dare. That was the night for Truth or Dare.
Yes.
Yes, she had a lot of alcohol too.
Anyway.
Now, your favorite couples, Neo and V.
Yeah.
Shenke want to take their relationship to the next level, but your brother is not ready to take that.
It's not better when you're sure about something, you go into it. It's not sure yet now.
The housemate, everybody in the house, even the so-called fan, they feel like V and Neo, they're the best couple. They will end up. It will shock all of you, even you. When they come outside, they will be like Fred and Esther. I didn't say anything,
Yeah, I know that. You didn't say anything now, right?
I didn't say anything.
Me, I trust that guy, Neo.
Okay.
You know, he's a street boy. I know.
Street boy.
But I mean, he's still going to. I think he loves the.
Love. Still love. You can't just love someone in less than how many months?
It's possible now.
No, my brother.
It's very possible.
You can just be fond of someone.
There
was love from the beginning. It's Nigerians like you that didn't believe. I believe their relationship from day one because they didn't just shout out to Teddy and Bamba, we love you guys. We love you guys. Even Prince and
oh my God.
They do.
At the moment they have.
No. But the way they broke up was really mature. Like they were like, you're not making me happy. The person was like, I feel if I'm not making you happy, but we should just no rush things. And before you know, Auntie go call to. She can't sleep alone. But I'm glad they are back together.
I think these guys are even the one couple in the house.
Yes, because they are not rushing things. See Nengi and Uzo.
This
Also because also hugging friend, so he cannot pet. He better, so he cannot pet his friend because also pet Dorothy and take on the bed. She means that your brother. Please, I know that.
You all know what she meant by brother.
Okay, fine. All those brothers. But then I really feel like she's not supposed to be angry because she knows that also just likes Dorothy as his friend. So all those things she did, fat naira versing. I beg you.
But I mean, why would Nengi be that? Paranoia, angry.
Imagine.
Because we almost is playing games with also, to be honest.
She's playing games with she play with the guy feeling.
So I really don't know why she would think like that. But anyway, let the dead bury the dead. Start today night party.
Hey.
I like.
Even if they don't show us. So we here say Nengi and Uncle Kiddwaya. Wire them.
Wire.
We're zipping. Let me sing for you.
Everything happened though, guys.
Sikayo, if you're watching this video, stop hiding the main gist from us. We don't like it.
I like story. I will love story.
We love the real story and fact. So that we cannot just imagine. You know, we human beings, our imagination is very wide. So
I'm telling me. I'm telling me. That Kiddwaya, that boy will not.
But really, I don't think that Kiddwaya is romantically attracted to me.
See what he did now. He's not going to playboy.
He's not a playboy. You don't say he's a playboy.
Did you see this?
He's someone.
Did you see was pouring the...
Dorothy, oh my.
Dora.
Yeah.
He was... If you leave Kiddwaya, he will take straw and put there.
Like the husband camera that they did for man, so many Twitter people, they are savage. They are savage. For me, I just feel like maybe they're not hiding, they're just being friends because they knew each other before the house.
I think so too. But I mean, when they are all tips in the house, I think
yes,
a lot of
these crazy things. True. So we cannot use that to judge.
But please, deep brother, why now? Why are you treating my guy liquor like this? Which kind of outfit is this man? Is it
yes, what did he do? Please, all the designers that are sewing clothes for liquor, it's not good now. But then the cool part is that they're making him trend because that guy is number one highlight.
The worst thing when he was.
But I bet maybe they're gonna look like I bet.
They're gonna open his mouth.
They're gonna use scissors. They're using scissors to cut.
Are you kidding me right now? This is
No, but their party was very lit yesterday. Shout out to DJ Switch. Yeah, she really turned up like everything was on.
Yeah.
This one is going to be really interesting because of the shake-up twist that Big Brother wants to do. That man is very suspecting. Because I heard that they are taking a boy and a girl. Like twist leaving, then they will match them together.
Come to think of it, you know, in one of Daddy's station, she was asking maybe the few days, the fake house in the house. Like
yes, I really think he's
right.
Right, because that guy is very corny. For him to even he used to do he go do a mebo. He would not lie. They will talk about this person too. You now still tell that same person.
What if it's Lucy?
Lucy about this. And because the grace of God when they follow Lucy. Lucy they don't pick Lucy for anything. Regardless, whoever it is, I hope they go home. Please.
Yeah, I hope I go home. That's not regardless.
She pim, siam, pim.
And can't go because Watoni has gotten her game.
She can't. Which Watoni?
I want to see more about
Watoni because she won this revolutionary property. She feels like the words are against her. Man, you are older than that. Stop thinking like that. Everybody was happy. Everybody was happy that she won, but she feels that woman. She feels people they talk about her. Which sense with her. Have you heard all the previous things that she has been doing, misunderstanding people?
We know, but now
that woman is just.
That time she was not enough.
She doesn't know what doing. Oh, now she knows that she's calm.
Yeah, so she wants to see more of them.
I bet she's going this night. Who's rooting with me? She is leaving.
I told you that Praise was going to go last week. Okay,
I told you that.
So today, let's choose.
Choose, yeah.
Erica should go, please. Erica and Kiddwaya should go. Pokemon will be hard, but
You wish. You wish.
Yes.
Who is going home this night? It's Watoni.
Watoni?
If Watoni did not go, V is going. Let's
They
bet.
will not try it. See,
Let's bet.
I will go to that place and apply everywhere.
They are now broke. Let's bet it. Some fans are broke. Let's bet.
Our fans?
Now our fans are never broke. They can never go broke. Now I'm just joking.
Guys,
but then don't forget, if you vote your favorite housemate and then they have the lowest vote, the housemate at the final say. So I know V and Watoni, they have issues with the rest of the housemates. So
not everyone likes V.
not everyone likes V.
We will see at the end of the day.
Not everyone likes V in the house. So
We see now.
just like it's just she and Leko and New.
Yeah.
So
Anyways, guys, stay tuned now for the eviction.
hope you enjoyed today and thank you for
Yes.
thank you for watching, and if you're just joining us, please like, subscribe,
Just press
and
it.
comment. We love you all.